Welcome back to NEET MCQ Factory YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. Here is your first question. In photosynthesis, the photolysis of water is responsible for the release of. The correct answer is B, oxygen. Photolysis is the splitting of water molecules in the presence of light, which releases oxygen as a byproduct and provides electrons for the electron transport chain. Next question. Which region of the alimentary canal absorbs the maximum amount of water? The correct answer is C, large intestine. While the small intestine absorbs nutrients and some water, the large intestine's primary function is to absorb the remaining water from undigested food matter. Next question. The enzyme trypsin is secreted by the. The correct answer is A, pancreas. Trypsin is produced by the pancreas in an inactive form, trypsinogen, and helps in the digestion of proteins in the small intestine. Next question. In amoeba, food is digested in the. The correct answer is D, food vacuole. Amoeba engulfs food via endocytosis, forming a food vacuole where digestive enzymes break down the food. Next question. The mode of nutrition in Cuscuta, amarbil, is. The correct answer is C, parasitic. Cuscuta is a parasitic plant that derives its nutrition from a host plant using Hostoria. Next question. Emulsification of fat is carried out by. The correct answer is B, bile salts. Bile salts produced by the liver break down large fat globules into smaller ones, emulsification, to increase surface area for lipase action. Next question. The end products of carbohydrate digestion are. The correct answer is D, glucose, monosaccharides. Complex carbohydrates like starch are broken down into simple sugars, primarily glucose. Next question. In human digestion, which acid activates the enzyme pepsinogen? The correct answer is C, hydrochloric acid. HCl creates an acidic medium in the stomach, pH ~1.8, which is necessary for converting inactive pepsinogen into active pepsin. Next question. Which of the following organisms breaks down food material outside the body and then absorbs it? The correct answer is A, mushroom. Fungi like mushrooms are saprophytes. They secrete enzymes onto decaying matter to digest it externally before absorption. Next question. The breakdown of pyruvate to give carbon dioxide, water, and energy takes place in. The correct answer is B, mitochondria. This describes aerobic respiration, Krebs cycle, which occurs in the mitochondria. Next question. The cartilaginous rings in the trachea prevent. The correct answer is D, collapse of the trachea. C-shaped cartilage rings ensure the airway remains open even when there is low air pressure during inhalation. Next question. What is the approximate percentage of oxygen in expired air? The correct answer is B, 16%. We inhale 21% oxygen and use about 4 to 5% of it, therefore, we exhale approximately 16 to 17% oxygen. Next question. The respiratory pigment in human beings is. The correct answer is C, hemoglobin. Hemoglobin in red blood cells binds to oxygen and transports it throughout the body. Next question. Which of the following structures is the actual site of gas exchange in lungs? The correct answer is D. Alveoli. Alveoli are balloon-like structures with thin walls and rich blood supply where diffusion of oxygen and carbon dioxide occurs. Next question. Cramps in muscle cells during sudden activity are caused by the accumulation of. The correct answer is A. Lactic acid. During strenuous exercise, oxygen supply is insufficient, leading to anaerobic respiration in muscles producing lactic acid. Next question. The opening of the larynx is guarded by the. The correct answer is B. Epiglottis. The epiglottis is a flap of cartilage that covers the windpipe during swallowing to prevent food entry. Next question. Glycolysis occurs in which part of the cell? The correct answer is C. Cytoplasm. Glycolysis, the breakdown of glucose into pyruvate, is the first step of respiration and occurs in the cytoplasm. Next question. Blood pressure is measured by an instrument known as. The correct answer is D. Sphygmomanometer. A sphygmomanometer measures systolic and diastolic arterial pressure. Next question. Translocation in plants utilizes energy in the form of. The correct answer is C. ATP. Transport of food, sucrose, into the phloem tissue involves active transport utilizing ATP. Next question. Which component of blood helps in clotting? The correct answer is C. Platelets. Platelets, thrombocytes, release factors that initiate the coagulation cascade to stop bleeding. Next question. The movement of water through xylem is largely driven by. The correct answer is C. Transpiration pull. Evaporation of water from leaves creates a suction force, transpiration pull, that draws water up from roots. Next question. Which blood vessel carries oxygenated blood from the lungs to the heart? The correct answer is B. Pulmonary vein. This is the only vein in the adult human body that carries oxygenated blood from lungs to left atrium. Next question. Lymph differs from blood as it lacks. The correct answer is A. RBCs. Lymph is similar to plasma but acts as tissue fluid. It contains WBCs, lymphocytes, but lacks red blood cells. Next question. Systolic pressure refers to the pressure during. The correct answer is D. Contraction of ventricles. Systole is the contraction phase. Systolic pressure is the maximum pressure exerted on arteries when the heart pumps. Next question. The primary nitrogenous waste in humans is. The correct answer is C. Urea. Humans are ureotelic. The liver converts toxic ammonia into urea, which is excreted by kidneys. Next question. The Bowman's capsule contains a cluster of capillaries called. The correct answer is A. Glomerulus. The glomerulus acts as a sieve where ultrafiltration of blood occurs. Next question. Reabsorption of useful substances like glucose and amino acids occurs in. The correct answer is B. PCT. The PCT, proximal convoluted tubule, is the major site for reabsorption of nutrients and ions from the filtrate back into the blood. Next question. Plants excrete waste products by. The correct answer is D. All of the above. Plants use multiple methods, storing waste in vacuoles, old leaves that fall off, releasing gums, or excreting into the soil. Next question. The artificial removal of nitrogenous waste from the blood is called. The correct answer is B. Dialysis, hemodialysis. An artificial kidney machine acts to filter the blood when kidneys fail. Last question. Which of the following is not a function of the liver? A. Production of bile. B. Detoxification of drugs. C. Secretion of insulin. D. Storage of glycogen. Share your correct answer in the comment before checking. Thanks for watching the video. For more NEET MCQ, please do like, share and subscribe to the NEET MCQ Factory YouTube channel. See you in the next videos.